Welcome everybody to today's tutorial. Today we'll be looking at how to cut a basic sleeve. How to cut a basic sleeve. We are going to be dividing our basic sleeve into 2 rather than dividing into 4. Before we start, we have to determine the amount of fabric we are going to put on fold to get our basic sleeve. The round armhole measurements we are working with is 18. When you divide it by 2, you will get 9. So you are going to put 9 on fold plus your sewing allowance. Here we have 9 plus our sewing allowance. Let's make it up to 1.5. We have 9 here plus our sewing allowance 1.5 is okay. Then we have to get our length. Our sleeve is starting from here. Let's give a mark of where our sleeve is going to start from. This is where our sleeve is going to start from. And to get the length, we're going to get our length from there. We're working with 9 inches, sleeve of 9 inches, plus 10, plus 1 inch sewing allowance will give us 10 inches. And this is where it's going to be. Plus 1 inch sewing allowance will give us 10 inches. All right. To get our cap height, we're going to get our cap height. We're going to divide our bust by 12 plus half inch sewing allowance. The bust measurement we are using is 42. 42 divided by 12 will give you 3.5. That is 3.5. 3.5 plus half inch will give us 4 inches. Will give us 4 inches. Use a ruler to make it straight. All right. Then we're going to determine our armhole measurements. What we have is 18. 18 divided by 2 will give you 9. You divide your armhole by 2. It will give us 9, and this is where the 9 will be. This is 9. And we're going to connect it to the beginning of our sleeve. We're going to connect it. We're going to connect it. After connecting, we're going to get the middle of this armhole. We have 10 here. So the middle should be 5. This is the middle, 5 inches. And from this 5 inches, we are going to come up by half inch. We are going to come up by half inch. This is our half inch. We're going to come up by half inch. And to determine the back armhole, the one that is going to the back, we are going to connect from here to this half inch that we came up with. Connect from here to this half inch. That is the back armhole sleeve. And to get the back sleeve, to get the back of armhole sleeve, we're going to connect from here. We're going to connect from here. This is the back armhole sleeve. From the same point to here, to this place. And from this point, we go down. Instead of going up, we connect to this place because the front has to go inside to avoid having too much fabric in front of your dress. Now we are going to determine the sleeve circumference. Sleeve circumference. What you are working with is 12. The 12 divided by 2 will give us 6. So we are going to impute it here. We are working with short sleeve. We are going to impute it here, 6. And we're going to add our sewing allowance of 1 inch. Sewing allowance of 1 inch. And here we're going to add another sewing allowance of 1 inch. We are going to connect it. We connect. Now we are going to cut. We are going to cut the back first. We are going to cut out the back. Let's cut the back sleeve. To cut the front sleeve, we are going to open it. Make sure you notch so that you know where the middle is. Notch it. Know where the middle is. We are going to open it to cut the front armhole. You follow the line that you marked for the front armhole. Cut the front. And this is our basic sleeve. The armhole in front have to go deeper than the back armhole. This is our normal basic sleeve. With this sleeve, you can draft anything you want to draft. Any type of sleeve you want to draft. You have to first of all draft your basic sleeve, which is what we just did now. If you have any question, please come to my comment section and ask any question you have. Please subscribe to my page. Encourage me. I need your subscription, your likes, your comments. Follow me on this journey. Please, I need your support. Thank you very much. Please watch, subscribe, like, comment. Any question you have whatsoever, do not hesitate to ask. Please, I will be in the comment section waiting for your questions. Please hit on the subscription button and subscribe. Subscription is free. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.